Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to align or reset the watch hands on your Casio G-Shock watch. Today we are looking at the GA-2100 model. So this is the Casio. This is going to work for all Casio G-Shock watches module 5611. So this is needed either after the battery replacement, or for example if the small subdial that shows you the day of the week doesn't match the day of the week, or if the analog display doesn't match the digital display. So what you want to do is to press and hold the adjust button and go past the home city. Then you are going to see a small H set here on the digital display. You have to keep on pressing, and then you are going to see a sub. So when you see that sub, you can actually release the adjust button. So let's do that. I'm going to press and hold the adjust button. So we have set, then we have H set, and now we have sub. You also could hear a double beep. So that is how you know that you arrived at the right position. Now, as you can see right here, the first thing that we can set is the actual subdial for the day of the week. So what we are going to use are the two buttons on the right. So either move forward and you are going to move a little the small watch hand. You can also press and hold and it will move 1 week. Then you can go backwards. So I'm going to align it at Sunday. That is where you want the small watch hand to be aligned. So it needs to be aligned at Sunday, not the day of the week that you are now on, but at Sunday. Always has to be at Sunday. Then once that is set and perfectly aligned, press the mode button one more time. And now you are going to see here on the digital display that it is 12, so 00. That means that both the hour hand and the minute hand should be aligned at 12 o'clock. If you have something like this, so something misaligned, you need to align them at 12 o'clock. And once again, you can use the start button in order to go forward and the light button in order to go backwards. You can also press and hold in order to speed scroll, so that will make easier for you to reach that 12 o'clock. Once you are very near, make sure to press one of the two buttons and the speed scrolling is going to stop. Then go one by one until you adjust it perfectly. As you can see now, I went one position too far, so I'm going to go backwards. And now the two watch hands, so the big watch hands, are aligned at 12 o'clock. Now both the subdials, so the small subdial for the day of the week and the big analog display has been adjusted. All you need to do is to press the adjust button one more time. The watch hands will go to the correct time, and now they will match perfectly the digital display, and also the day of the week will be shown correctly. So guys, that is how you align the watch hands on your Casio G-Shock GA-2100. If you want to see more watch tutorials on your GA-2100 or other G-Shock watches, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video if you found it useful, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.